Masonry and paver sealers are essential for protecting your outdoor surfaces. At Duval Paint and Decorating, we offer premium driveway paver sealer in Jacksonville. Our driveway paver sealer provides long-lasting protection against the harshest elements. Keep your surfaces looking new while enhancing their natural beauty. Sealing your pavers is the best way to prevent wear and tear. We have the perfect solution to ensure durability and curb appeal. Whether it's a driveway, walkway, or patio, our sealers offer exceptional performance. Protect your investment with top-tier products designed for Florida's unique climate. Our sealers don't just protect, they enhance. Enjoy the vibrant look of your pavers while keeping them safe from damage. Don't let the elements wear down your driveway or patio. Our driveway paver sealers are designed to withstand heavy use and extreme weather conditions. Let us help you preserve your outdoor investment with our premium sealers. Call us today at 904-641-6664 or visit duvalpaint.com/pavers-and-tile-sealer. Duval Paint and Decorating, protecting and enhancing your outdoor spaces, one sealer at a time.